Court. One hand. Oh yeah.
Yo, my fault, y'all. I don't know what happened in this clip, but the audio got messed up. Skip it to the 34-second mark, and the audio should be chilling by then.
I'll see y'all when I get to the court, man. Okay. Yo, what the fuck you looking at? Y'all, just got here. Now it looks like it's about to rain, but fuck it. Gotta get some shots in. Yes. Push up to the camera. Oh fuck, it's raining. See if y'all saw that. Fuck, it's raining, bro. The weather app literally says it's sunny, bro. Dang. Every time I make a video, it starts raining. Shit. Where can I put this fucking camera? Right here? It was one hand shot. Fuck. One hand. Fuck. Court. One hand. Oh yeah. Fuck. I'll wait till it stops drizzling, bro. Hopefully it stops. Bro, it started raining, bro. My whole video is ruined. Under this fucking shade. It's raining like crazy. And the weather app literally said it was sunny. And plus 15. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Now I gotta run home. Oh. Okay, I'm still posting this. I didn't waste my time. I did not get wet out here for no reason. I'm about to run. 3, 2. Of course, right when mans get home, sunny. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me, bro? Come on, man. What the fuck you looking at?